3x thicker car windshield cleaning. Microfiber-Gven windshield cleaner comes with highly effective soft microfiber which is 3 times thicker and more absorbent than those ordinary fabrics. No streaks left. Aluminum handle. Aluminum windshield cleaner handle will not break and non-slip sponge make your hand comfort even under great pressure. Extendable feature helps get the hard to reach area and no more hurts your back. Pivoting rotating head helps to provide better leverage and full contact to all surfaces to remove troublesome gunk in the corner of windshield, ideal for interior-exterior cleaning. Multiple uses besides for car windshield cleaner. 3 pieces of removable fiber towels. 1 piece of cleaning cloth. Spray bottle are suitable for kitchens, bathrooms, furniture, mirrors, ceramic, shower stalls and other household window clean. Gift choice. The car window cleaner packed well as gift choice for car lovers. For better experience, please read the instruction on package before using. Top reviews from the United States. Made this job easy. I've always dreaded trying to maneuver my arm into the right place and get all of the film off of the inside of my windshield and then turning into the sunlight to notice the streaks left behind that I couldn't see before. This thing worked flawlessly and took me less than 1 minute to do the whole inside of the windshield. It was super simple and I was relieved to see that there were no streaks left behind the next time I turned into some bright sunlight. It is the perfect shape to put some firm effort into it without moving around awkwardly, as I found with another similar product years ago.